How to add or remove contacts to favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on contacts app. Now here, so if you want to add contact to favorite, so click on contact. So after click on contact, you will see first option is favorite. So if you want to add contact to favorites, so click on favorites. So after click on favorites, go back and you will see your contact is add on favorites. So after the process, go back, and if you want to remove contact to favorite, so just click and hold on contact and click on this more icon. So after just click and hold your favorite contact, so click on more. After click on more, you will see option is showing here, remove from favorite. So if you want to remove from favorite, so click on remove from favorite. So after click on remove from favorite, so you will see your contact is removed from favorite. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove contacts to favorites on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.